Your sterilizer experts recommend the Market Forge Digital Autoclave. Market Forge sterilizers are our #1 bestseller. We have sold them to laboratories, research facilities, waterworks, veterinary practices, hospitals, and medical clinics throughout the world. It is a workhorse of a sterilizer. Built like a tank. Always works. Extremely reliable sterilizer. The Market Forge Digital Sterilmatic Autoclave comes with these standard features. An LCD display screen to monitor temperature, time and pressure. Select Fahrenheit or centigrade temperature readout. Sterilizing temperature can range from 225 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose from a fast or slow exhaust setting. Built-in data recorder and printer. Has 3 programmable buttons. Maintains a set temperature with a built-in microprocessor. Electric steam trap. Removable pan supports. For use at altitudes up to 6,500 feet. 31-inch deep chamber. Comes with an optional stand. The Sterilmatic is made in America. For more information about the best-selling Market Forge Sterilmatic STME Autoclave, call 800-801-9934 or visit our website at store.sterilizers.com.